Alright y'all, so I'm back here again with another Tab S6 unboxing, except for I got the 256 gig model. So that's dope, but let's get into this. Yo, what's good y'all, it's Latrell and I got the Tab S6, of course, I just said this. But you know the deal already, we gotta unbox this thing. And I already had the Tab S6, but it was a 128 gig one, and I told you I wasn't keeping it because I had to return my Notebook 9 Pro to get it. And I just wasn't gonna do that. I can't replace a tablet with my laptop. That's just not possible. But do you know what is possible? To get that good old snap there on the unboxing knife. I feel like some of y'all expected me to segue into a sponsorship, but no. We're just unboxing a tablet today. So let's cut that tape there. Let's look at the front of the box. So we got Tab S6 here in this colorful look again. That's not new. Well, I guess it is for 2019, but I just love the boxes this year. Samsung logo at the top, and on the right side, we got the right side of the tablet. On the left side, we got the Galaxy Tab S6 logo. On the bottom, we got my info here, and at the top, we got nothing. On the back, we got what's inside the box. All right, so you know what we gotta do? That. And here's our good old dryer sheet again. Samsung, I'm not gonna let this go, okay? This really seemed like a dryer sheet, like literally look right next to it. And now it smells good over here again, man. Let's go and take this out the box by pulling this up here. I didn't see this in the first unboxing, but here's our Samsung logo, and on the back we got where the S Pen goes. So yeah, let's just go ahead and peel the dryer sheet off. But here is our Galaxy Tab S6, the same exact thing, but except for we got 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. We got our Samsung logo, we got our S Pen slot right here. Do you see what I'm doing right now? I'm just trying not to touch the screen right now, but it's gonna happen eventually. Obviously, it's a tablet. We got our dual cameras here, so we got our wide and our ultra wide lens. We got our antenna bands here at the top and the bottom. Sound by AKG, Energy Star logo, and then we got my model number and stuff right here. Designed and engineered by Samsung, manufactured in Vietnam. On the left side, we have some indents here for the book cover keyboard. In the middle, we have our Pogo connectors. Again, that's also for the book cover keyboard or the Pogo charger. On the right side, we have our power button with our 2 volume buttons. In our SD card slot, or if you have the cellular version, send me an SD card slot. At the top, we got 2 out of the 4 quad speakers. We got another microphone. And at the bottom, we have our USB-C port, and then we got our 2 speakers again. Notice, there's no headphone jack on here, but you probably already knew that. I failed to point that out in my last unboxing. I don't know how I missed that, but if you look here at the bottom, the Tab S4 got a headphone jack, but the Tab S6 don't. So yeah, that sucks. And overall, like, this is just like a metal build instead of a glass build. I heard a lot of people say that this is just more premium looking, but at the same time, I heard those same people say, I don't really like glass on the tablet because it breaks. Make up your mind. I would rather have this though, but this does look more premium on the white one anyway. But it gets fingerprints, as you can see, like crazy. So I will be comparing these two soon, so stay tuned for that. In the Samsung ecosystem video, this was my ticket here to get that video out. So now it's gonna happen. Anyways, let's look on the front here. We have our bezels here with our camera. There's no intelligent scan sensors. The only sensor we got here at the top is our light sensor. So let's go ahead and just turn this thing on here. And there's no vibration when you turn this thing on either. It's just Tab S6. And something else I noticed is the vibration on the Tab S6 is actually worse than the Tab S4. Maybe that's why it don't vibrate when you turn it on, but that literally makes like no sense. Like, why would you downgrade a vibration motor? I mean, on other tablets, you don't get a vibration motor to begin with, but still. Anyways, let's just go ahead and look into the rest of the box real quick. So we got our S Pen here that you magnetically attach to the back or the side. So Thao, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce her last name. She actually showed us this in a video where you can actually magnetically attach it to the top. So that's pretty cool, but it just don't charge there. And you can just put it on the back like that, and then it charges. So let me go and set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, as Bixby will say after we click on skip, we're all set. So, here's our Tab S6 again. And man, I actually missed this tablet like a lot. Even though whoa, okay, calm down, Samsung. Even though it's been gone for like, what, maybe a week now? Probably a little bit longer though, to be honest with you. I've been missing this thing, man. I can't lie. And just having a tablet in general, because I sold my Tab S4 to get this a while ago. So yeah, y'all, I'll compare it in some future videos, but right now, like I already compared it in my last unboxing. Like I showed the difference between the bezels. That showed like the difference between the back of the tablet. But I'll do a dedicated video on like the differences on these things, like the physical differences, and then we'll just get into more things, I guess. So yeah, y'all, welcome back Galaxy Tab S6, even though you're a different Tab S6. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the rest of the box real quick though. I just got into this practice of getting into a tablet or the phone first and then getting into the box. Like that's just my thing now. I don't follow like every other YouTuber that just gets into the box first and then the tablet or the phone. So we got in here our fast charger. I should have mentioned that. Adaptive fast charging. It's not like a S10 5G charger or anything. So it's not USB Type-C to USB Type-C. It's actually USB-A to USB Type-C. And this is the cord right here. This is definitely longer than the Galaxy A50. And over here we got, you know what's in here. You already know what's in here. But we're gonna get in here anyway. So first off, we have our SD card ejection tool. But we got, you guessed it, the books that nobody care about. What are we gonna do with it? Throw it to the side. Nobody cares about it. And then we got more stuff in here. So in this box right here, we have our S Pen tips. So we got the actual tool, and then we got two different tips. So we got black and white. And I'm pretty sure with these tips, like there's a soft one and a hard one. So if you want that soft writing feel on the tablet, then you can use that, or you can get like a hard tip and then it'll kind of feel like an actual pencil or something, or a pen. S Pen. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finally get out of here. So that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go and like the video. If you really liked it, go and subscribe. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one, and peace out.